If you've been watching the AI revolution unfold and wondering how you can get involved, let me tell you, there's never been a better time to start an AI agency. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, starting an AI agency is the smartest business move you can make in 2024 and beyond. However, I will say though, the AI agency isn't the end all be all. Ultimate goal is to start a SaaS in AI, but the AI agency is the easiest route into this business model. In this video, I'm going to break down 12 concrete reasons why starting an AI agency could be the opportunity of a lifetime. And by the end of this, you'll see why waiting is simply not an option if you want to succeed in the future of business. You're going to learn why AI is transforming every industry and why starting now gives you an edge, and how AI agencies are already generating six figures within months. If you want to know how to take advantage of once in a generation shift, stay tuned. Reason number one. AI is no longer a trend, it's the future. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's here to stay. Businesses across every industry right now are adopting AI to streamline operations, automate tasks, and boost productivity. Whether it's marketing, customer service, and data analysis, AI tools are making things faster and cheaper. Companies are spending billions on AI development, and by 2025, those who aren't using AI will be left behind. AI is no longer just a tool for tech companies. It's essential for businesses looking to stay competitive. Reason number two, AI is a massively untapped market. There's a huge market gap right now. Small and medium-sized businesses are aware that they need AI, but they don't know where to start. That's where you come in. As an AI agency, you can help businesses implement AI solutions tailored to their needs without them having to hire expensive in-house developers. In one of the videos online, I saw Liam Oatley, this guy. He highlights a case where a small AI agency helped a client generate $110,000 in leads with just one YouTube video. Imagine being the go-to AI expert for businesses in your niche. The guy who generated the 110K in leads, his name was Yanis Moore, I think. Reason number three, AI is now more accessible. You don't need to be a coding expert to run an AI agency no more. Thanks to no-code and low-code tools like Make.com and Zapier, or even Bubble.com, setting up an AI automation is easier than ever. These platforms allow you to integrate AI into your business processes with just a few clicks, removing the technical barriers that used to exist. That means even if you have zero technical skills, you still can get started today and offer high-value AI services. Reason number four, automation saves time and money. One of the biggest benefits of AI offers is automation. Whether it's automating customer services with chatbots, streamlining supply chain processes, or managing social media, AI can handle it, all saving businesses time and money. Companies are always looking to cut costs and increase efficiency, and AI is the answer. As an AI agency owner, you'll be providing businesses with solutions that give them an immediate return on investment. Reason number five, there's going to be 24/7 customer support without extra staff. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer inquiries 24/7, offering businesses non-stop customer service without the need to hire additional staff. For example, Morningside AI implemented a chatbot that helped a client handle 5x more customers interactions without any manpower. This is something you can replicate for businesses across different industries, creating value while saving them from hiring costs. Reason number six, data-driven decision making. AI can analyze massive amounts of data and provide actionable insights for businesses. This means that companies can make smarter, faster decisions based on real-time data rather than just relying on guesswork. Businesses that are using AI to inform their strategy are already outperforming competition by miles. As an AI agency, you'll be offering this competitive edge to businesses that need it. Reason number seven, personalized marketing and customer experience. Consumers today expect personalization in every interaction. AI allows businesses to offer personalized experiences at scale, whether it's through targeted email campaigns, product recommendations, or tailored content. This level of customization isn't possible with AI, making it a must-have for businesses in 2025, something that Alex Hormozi really preaches. Reason number eight, the AI space is still growing. AI is still in its growing phase. Yes, it's rapidly evolving, but it hasn't reached full saturation. This means there's still time for you to carve out your space as an AI agent's owner. Starting gives you the advantage of being an early mover in a booming industry that's only going to grow exponentially over the next few years. According to Oatly, the businesses that get in early will have the best chance of dominating their market. Reason number 9. You don't need big capital to start. One of the biggest myths about starting an AI agency is that you need a lot of money or technical expertise, but in reality, you can start small with minimal overhead. Platforms like Make.com allow you to create automations with little to no upfront costs. You can start by offering small services like chatbots or simple workflows and scale up as your clients grow. Reason number 10. Recurring revenue model. AI agencies often operate on a recurring revenue model. Once you set up an automation for your client, they'll need ongoing maintenance, updates, and support, meaning you will have consistent, predictable income streams coming in every month. This is one of the most attractive aspects of running an AI agency. As your client base grows, so does your monthly income. Reason 11. AI helps you scale faster. With AI handling much of the heavy lifting in your own agency, you'll be able to scale quickly. AI tools help you with everything from lead generation to client management, so you can handle more clients without increasing your workload. Reason number 12. AI is the future of business. AI is rapidly becoming a necessity for business. As we move into 2025, companies that don't adopt AI will struggle to compete. Whether it's through automation, data analysis, or customer experiences, AI is shaping the future of businesses and how they operate. By starting an AI agency now, you're future-proofing your career and your business. You'll be offering services that will only become more essential in the coming years. So those are the 12 concrete reasons why starting an AI agency right now is one of the smartest moves you can make. Whether it's growing market demand, the recurring revenue model, or the fact that you can start with minimal upfront costs, there's no better time to jump in. AI is transforming every industry. And if you're not part of this revolution, you're going to be left behind. Don't miss AI the way you missed Bitcoin. And if you didn't miss Bitcoin, you better catch AI the same way you caught Bitcoin. If you're ready to take the next step and want to get a free AI audit for your business, reach out to me via the email in the description or the channel details section. And if you already know what you need and want help building out your automations, let's talk via email and let's get started on future-proofing your business today. You'd either watch my next video on how to automate your